Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kumar and I welcome you all to Education Circuit, and I hope your preparation would have been going on very well. And today I am going to talk about very important thing. I am in touch with a lot of candidates and I keep on talking with them, and when I talk about their preparation then I get to know about their way of preparation. Okay, nowadays this is the era of online preparation, online study, and there is a lot of coaching centers and lot of YouTube channels which are providing you online classes, and especially they are selling their online courses. Okay, they ask candidates to download their app from Google Play Store, and they are providing whole course for one particular examination having cost 4,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, including 250 and 300 lecture videos and PDFs, etc. And candidates are following and trusting them blindly. Okay. See, purchasing online course and study online following video is not bad thing, but main thing is how authentic this content is. Okay, because I have seen there is a lot of YouTube channels. Teachers of these YouTube channels are not professional. Okay, they are not well experienced. They don't have experience about that particular examination of which they are providing online course. Okay, चाहे उन्होंने कभी वो एग्जाम दिया ही ना हो, उनको उसके बारे में कोई नॉलेज हो या ना हो, but despite of it they have become expert of it according to them, and they are providing you online courses. Okay, and if you are following them, so ladies and gentlemen, you are doing blunder mistake. Okay, your end will be very bad and you will not get to know that what was the reason of your failure, right? See, they are not examiner. They have not gone through encyclopedia. They are not scientists. They are not professional. They are not expert about examinations. And they keep on giving advice to candidates which is not authentic. I know many people who provide such kind of guidance online to aspirants of these examinations like FCAT, NDA, CDS, and any other examination, because YouTube channels are for every kind of examinations, and especially for FCAT, CDS and NDA I have seen many channels which are providing you online courses. Okay, and their online course is not up to the mark. This is not good guidance. This is not in a good way. Okay, which is required for getting success in examination, right? See, a candidate who has just cleared written examination and who has been recommended for defense forces, it doesn't mean that this person is an expert. Okay, and he has knowledge about all the things. Clearing SSB is different thing and having knowledge about SSB is completely different thing. The assessors who are testing you in SSB, they are trained by DIPR, Defense Institute of Psychological Research, New Delhi. Okay, so they are very well experienced people and they have very good knowledge about SSB, and those who have very good command over examination, so only they can provide you authentic information, right? But I have seen there is a lot of YouTube channels, they don't even have basic knowledge about that particular examination and they are providing online courses. This is the source of their earning. Okay, they are just doing business. So please don't be target of them. You must have that sense that you can identify which YouTube channel provides authentic and quality content and which is not able to provide quality content and authentic. Okay, and there is one side effect of online courses, that there are more than 200 and 250 video lectures and you keep on watching them. Okay, you don't have time to solve questions, right? So it gives you bad habit because you don't have habit of solving questions on paper. And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you one thing absolutely clear. Until you do practice of solving questions of mathematics, reasoning and English with pen and paper, until you solve questions from books, until you solve exercises, you will not be able to solve questions in your examination, in your main examination. Okay, because if you don't solve questions with pen and paper, so problem solving ability and reasoning ability will not be developed in your mind. Okay, and in examination there is already pressure. When you sit for examination with a lot of people, you are already under pressure, and if you are unable to solve 4 or 5 questions in a row, then you will be under much pressure. Okay, so your morale and confidence level will get down and your result will be very bad. You will not be able to clear even cutoff. It is happening with a lot of candidates, and I am in touch with a lot of candidates who have faced that problem and they are doing so, right? And if you don't do practice of solving questions with pen and paper at your home, then in examination you need to solve questions very quickly because there is competition, and nowadays time boundation has been reduced. You need to solve more number of questions in less time duration. So if you don't do practice of solving questions at your home with pen and paper, then there in examination, leave alone solving questions very fast, even you will not be able to solve questions within 3 minutes and 4 minutes, okay, and your paper will be missed. You will miss a lot of questions, right, and you will be out of competition. So my suggestion to you is, please go for a book, purchase a book from market. It is not much costly. It may cost 300-400 rupees only, instead of paying 3000-4000 rupees in purchasing online courses. You can purchase online courses, it is not bad, but before following online courses you must go to book, okay, and solve exercises, see solved examples and then solve exercises. If you do so, then your problem solving ability and reasoning ability will be increased, and you will quickly solve questions in your examinations, okay. And if we talk about best books, so there are many books available in the market. If we talk about FCAT books, so according to me, Arihant's FCAT book is the best one for FCAT examination. And for CDS, Arihant's CDS book is best one for CDS examination. You can use Lucent's books also, but I have never gone for Lucent, so I cannot say anything about it. I have used Arihant's book, so Arihant's books are good books, okay. So please purchase a book from market, do practice on it, and then follow online courses, right. And mathematics, reasoning and English are such portions, if you do practice on them and if you understand the concept of these topics, so you will not miss any question in your examination, okay. But there is one portion which is GK and current affairs. It creates difference because there is very vast syllabus of GK and current affairs. Nobody knows from where question will be asked. So we are focusing on current affairs and GK portion, and we keep on providing most important GK and current affairs to candidates for these all competitive examinations like FCAT, CDS, NDA, INET, and any other examination in which current affairs and GK are asked, okay. So for getting most important GK and current affairs, follow our videos. We keep on providing very important current affairs and GK questions only, which will be very helpful in your examination. But for math, reasoning and English, you should go for a book, and please do practice at your home, because until you solve questions you will not be able to solve questions in your examination, okay. And in our upcoming videos we will cover math, reasoning and English also, and we are continuing GK and current affairs. एंड जिससे कि आपकी इन किसी भी टॉपिक से कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना हो, उसके लिए आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल नोटिफिकेशंस को एक्टिव कर लीजिए, ओके। आई होप दिस वीडियो वुड हैव बीन वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव फॉर यू, एंड इफ यू फील दिस इज इंफॉर्मेटिव, so please like this and share it with your friends. And if you have any question, any query, so you are most welcome, write down in the comment box below. I will definitely solve it. And join Telegram group also, because we keep on conducted quiz there, and we provide most important study material for your written examinations and SSB at Telegram. Link is given in the description box below, okay. And we have already made a complete playlist of very important GK topics from which questions of set pattern are often asked every year in your competitive examinations. If you have not gone through them, so please must go through them. Link of complete playlist is given in the description box below. And all the very best for your written examinations and SSB. And that's all for today. Bye for now.